Today we are doing an honest review of Hexfield AI in 2025, covering its pros, cons, pricing, performance, and the key features you should know before using it. If you are thinking about switching to a different AI video platform like Runway, Pika, or OpenArt, this video will help you decide. Let's jump right in. What is Higgsfield AI? Hexfield AI is a next-gen video generation platform that focuses heavily on hyper-realistic avatars, lip sync, and natural facial expressions. Unlike many generative video tools, Hexfield specializes in human-focused video generation, AI avatar creation from a single image, ultra-accurate eye contact, and emotional expression tracking, text-to-video, and video-to-video enhancements. In simple terms, it makes AI avatars look real, more natural than most tools on the market. Features: Face Studio avatars. Upload a single photo. Hexfield turns it into an ultra-realistic AI avatar with smooth facial animations. Great for creators who want low-budget talking head videos without filming. And the second feature that we have is the motion and expression controls. Hexfield lets you adjust facial expressions, eye movements, head tilt, emotion intensity. This is rare to see at this quality level. Text-to-video generation. You can generate short scenes or B-roll by typing a prompt. Not as cinematic as Runway, but strong for human-centric shots. Video-to-video stylization. Upload a video, change style, outfit, or mood while keeping body movements natural. API access. Developers can integrate Higgsfield into apps, automation pipelines, custom avatar systems. Pros: best-in-class realism for human avatars. Facial expressions and lip sync are top tier, arguably better than many competitors. Easy for beginners. The interface is clean and generating a video takes under a minute. Fast rendering speeds. Short videos render surprisingly quickly even compared to Pika or Runway. Great for content creators. Perfect for educational channels, marketing videos, talking head content, and product explainers. Good API for scaling. Great for startups building avatar-based apps. Cons: not ideal for cinematic or VFX style videos. Runway and Pika still dominate that space. Limited scene complexity. Better for humans, less impressive with landscapes or animation. Some uncanny valley moments. Although the realism is great, rapid movements can still look slightly artificial. Pricing can get expensive, especially for bulk rendering. Pricing. Pricing may vary, but here's the typical structure. Free trial tier, limited credits plus watermark. Creator plan, monthly credit bundle for solo creators. Pro plan, higher limits, premium avatars, faster rendering. Enterprise, custom API access and commercial licensing. Hexfield isn't the cheapest tool, but you are paying for realism and avatar accuracy. Who is Hexfield best for? Hexfield is perfect if you make talking head videos, if you want AI presenters for your channel or business, if you need realistic facial animation, if you do not care much about cinematic or long-form video generation. If your goal is storytelling, movie-like scenes, or full VFX, tools like Runway or Pika are still better. Conclusion. And that is your honest 2025 review of Higgsfield AI. If you want a realistic AI avatar tool, this is one of the best options right now. And let me know down below in the comments. Would you replace real filming with Hexfield? Please consider like and subscribe and see you in a new review.